So today I'm going to take you step by step on opening up a Brigit account here in real time through an app on your phone. Now you can see here I'm loaded up on the App Store and have the app downloaded itself. I will have a link for you in the show notes down below so you can jump right to this page. Sometimes they have a nice sign up bonus for you, and it does help support out the channel so you get more free content just like this. Now once you're here having the app downloaded, we're going to click on open. And you're going to see here, we're going to have the screen opened up for us, and we're going to go ahead and start our account. Now we're going to click on the next button here. It's going to give us a little bit of a breakdown, so we're going to go ahead and keep on clicking on next here, and then it's going to finally pop up the sign up account for us. Now from here, it's going to ask for your email address and the phone number. So let's plug these two pieces of information in. Now, once we put in those two pieces of information, it is going to ask us to verify our phone number, which we just did now, and then it's going to have us set up a 4-digit PIN. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in. And then from here, it's going to ask us to go ahead and confirm the PIN, so we'll plug that in as well. So from here, it says what brings you here, and it's going to give you two options between getting a cash advance to be able to get cash now or helping you build your credit score. So whichever option works best for you, go ahead and click on that. So if we click on the building your credit score, you can see right over here all the different things that it's going to give you as far as options. You can ask them to tell it more, or you can just go ahead and say not interested. Now, if you choose the other option, which is getting a cash advance, you're going to go ahead and go to this position right over here, and it's going to have you set up your account. So from right over here, it's going to ask for your first and last name. So next up here, it's going to ask you to go ahead and connect to bank. So just check off all of these right over here and then go ahead and click on Connect Bank. Now from here, they are going to be using Plaid, which is going to allow you to instantly connect to your account so that they can verify that you actually have a regular deposit going into that account. So you can click on Continue. So once we go ahead and connect our bank through Plaid, you're going to see right now it's reviewing, setting up, and calculating everything to be able to make sure that that is the proper account and it's linked to ours. Now from here, it says that it's done, so we're going to click on Continue. And it says one last step, we'll need to confirm when you get paid to set up repayment dates for advances. So we can click on let's do it. So from right over here, it actually goes through and already verifies that we have deposits. So you can go ahead and click on any of them that work, and it'll kind of give you an idea of when we should be expecting those. And that is giving us the upcoming paychecks. And once that all looks good, we can go ahead and click on confirm details. And from here, it says all done. If you qualify for instant cash, we'll set up repayments for your advances on days you get paid. We can click on Great. And from here, you can actually go ahead and set up notifications, or you can click on the top right where it says maybe later. And just like that, we have our account up and running. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to go ahead and sign up, I will have a link for you in the show notes down below. You can see right over here, they have a nice sign up bonus. So make sure when you're using that link to follow all the steps to be able to get that bonus, and go ahead and support the channel as well so you get more free content just like this. Now, next up, I'll actually have another video right over here on screen for you so you can keep on learning and growing with your money. My name is Dennis, and I'll help you in that next video.